guys, in today's Python Dsa video, I am telling about the method of knapsack. Okay, so now I do not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's code with PK video, I am telling about the method. So now let's learn about that. Now here's one systematic strategy we apply for solving the problems. Like in the previous video, I've given you one problem of the, like let me show you which type of problem I have given you. Like this one knapsack problem I have given you, and now let me give you the method of that. Then in the next video we will solve, I tell you about the solution. Now here's one systematic strategy we apply for solving the problems. There are 6 strategies. We learn these all strategies in today's video. Number first strategy is you state the problem clearly. Okay, like this one problem, I state this problem clearly. Okay, this is problem. Okay. First of all, you state that problem. Then you identify the input and output format. This is my problem. Yeah, this is one and repairing. Okay, so this is like that. Number 2, you come up with some example inputs. Like this one example. Now let me solve it. Okay, then some example inputs and output, and try to cover all edges cases. Now let me cover all edges cases now. Okay, number 3, you come up with the correct solution for the problem and state it in the plain English. Number 4, you implement the solution and test it using example inputs, fix bugs if any. Number 5, you analyze the algorithms complexity and identify the efficiencies if any. Number 6, you apply the right technique to overcome the efficiency. Repeat steps 3 to 6. Okay, repeat step 3 to 6. This approach is explained in detail in lesson 1 of the course. Let's apply this approach step by step. Okay, so now here you can see this video is about the method with Python Dsa. I give you 6 cinematic strategies. I have told you you can apply this 6 cinematic strategy. Then it is very easier to solve any problem for you. Okay. Now here you can see, like I've told you, these 3 cinematic strategy. You must know these 6 cinematic strategy. Then you will be very easier to solving in the problems. Okay. Then you will be solve the problem very fastly and easily. That's why I'm telling you, please solve must know these 6 cinematic strategy. So here you can see it in today's video. I tell you about the method. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support though. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course about too. So now here you can see it, and if you do not check my whole playlist yet, so move on to the codewithyand.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it. So now I'm entering next class where we learn about the solution of the knapsack problem. So for today, goodbye.